A lot of people want to start YouTube, but they don't want to show their face. What if I told you this is not a real person?
A way to create a full AI person. One that can sit, talk, express emotions, and tell stories for me. And that's exactly what you're seeing right now.
This is a full AI person, built for a faceless YouTube channel.
I didn't want to show my face. That's when I discovered this. This isn't an animation. This is a full AI person speaking for you.
And it doesn't just talk, it shows emotions, it uses gestures, and it can tell stories like a real human. So stay till the end and you'll learn how this is created. First, hit the link in the description. You'll land on the Vidnoz AI website. Now click on the Create Free AI Video button and continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Vidnoz AI dashboard. Now to create an AI avatar video, go to the left menu and click on Avatars. Vidnoz AI lets you create expressive, talking avatars for videos. You get ready-made avatars with realistic expressions, gestures, and perfect lip sync for faceless content creation. This is the most important part. Hover your cursor over expressive avatar. You'll see two options: upload a photo or generate with AI. I'll click Generate with AI because this gives natural expressions and body language based on your script or voice. Now you can design your AI person. First, choose the avatar model. I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro. You can describe your avatar. For example, a realistic professional AI presenter standing in a modern studio environment, cinematic lighting, clean and minimal background with soft depth blur, confident and friendly expression, natural facial details, realistic skin texture, wearing smart casual clothing suitable for a YouTube creator, solid color hoodie or blazer with t-shirt, full body visible with relaxed posture, natural hand gestures as if explaining or storytelling, neutral professional studio background, no logos, no text, no distractions, ultra realistic photography style, sharp focus, soft shadows, high-end YouTube studio look. Then set the gender and age group. For YouTube and storytelling, I recommend full body so gestures look natural. Choose landscape 16:9 for YouTube videos. You can also select your style. I'm leaving it on auto. And finally, select how many outputs you want. Once everything looks good, click Generate. In a few seconds, your AI avatars are ready. Pick the one that looks the most natural. Now click Create Talking Video. This is where the magic happens. Now this is where your AI avatar starts to feel alive. First, paste your script here. Vidnoz automatically generates facial expressions, head movement, and gestures based on your text. But you're not limited to automatic behavior. By adjusting your wording, adding pauses, and changing pacing, you can customize how the avatar expresses emotions. Next, choose a voice.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to
Vidnoz AI
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos.
You can use an AI voice or upload your own voiceover for even more control and realism. You can also turn subtitles on or off. And finally, you can customize the scene with backgrounds, text, images, and overlays to match your story. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Vidnoz starts creating your AI video. You can see it processing in My Creations. Now your AI video is ready. You can preview it and download it.
Let me tell you a short story. I wanted to start YouTube, but I didn't want to show my face. That's when I discovered this. A way to create a full AI person. One that can sit, talk, express emotions, and tell stories for me. And that's exactly what you're seeing right now. Let me tell you a short story. I wanted to start YouTube, but I didn't want to show my face. That's when I discovered this. This isn't an animation. This is a full AI person speaking for you. This is where everything changed for me. I realized I could explain ideas without ever showing my real face.
If you want to try this yourself, I've left the Vidnoz AI link in the description. You get free daily credits so you can explore and test what AI content can really do. And if you want to create studio quality AI music, watch the video on the left. For full cinematic AI videos, watch the video on the right.